This is probably the most irresponsible thing I own. We all see these silica gel packets. Do not eat. They contain silica dioxide, a material that absorbs moisture really well to keep humidity levels low. But if ingested, it can cause internal blockages. It can also irritate your lungs, your eyes, and your skin. Basically, do not eat it. But what if you want to? Well, my friend Dory, who I've worked with for years, now runs a company called vsauce, and they made these. They look exactly like do not eat silica gel packets, but inside, well, they're actually filled with candy. Now, is this irresponsible to have around? Is it a work of art? Is it a comment on humanity's fragility and desires? Yes.